This video warns you about a very, very dangerous scam that's going around that could end up installing malicious software on your device and basically collect information from your device and pass it on to scammers so that it can be used in all sorts of ways. It could take contact information, it could take banking information, your own personal information, it could take anything from your device. So it is very, very important that if you get a message similar to this one on the screen claiming to be from a delivery company saying your parcel is arriving, track here, or something similar to that, and it tells you to click or tap on a link, do not do it. For goodness sake, don't do it, because like I say, this could possibly install malware on your device, and basically it could collect personal information from your device and pass this on to the scammers. The app is known to be going around currently, mainly in the UK, but obviously it can go worldwide. At the moment, as I say, it's claiming to be from delivery companies. This example I've got on the screen here is from DHL, but it could be from any delivery company. In actual fact, later on, it could morph into a completely different kind of text message. It could claim to be from your bank, from your internet provider. It could be anything that's just getting you to click or tap on a link in a text message or an email, and like I say, it could end up installing malware on your device which will basically record information from your device and pass it on to the scammers. And like I say, information could be, it could be your banking details, it could be your own personal details, it could be your friends' details, it could be login details, it could be absolutely anything that's on your phone could get captured and passed on to scammers. So I'm not only saying this to protect yourself, but also to protect your contacts that are on your phones, your friends, your family, because as I say, if the scammers do get hold of information from your phone, they'll know who your contacts are. They'll know the people that you frequently contact. They can record text messages, WhatsApp messages, Facebook messages, absolutely anything they can record, and they can then use that information to not only scam yourself but also your friends and your family and other contacts, your business associates as well. So please, 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 I know I bang on about this in every video, do not click or tap on a link in an email or a text message. If you are waiting for a parcel to come through, then go to the company that you ordered the parcel from. Okay, check with them, log into your account. There should be something on there that should tell you roughly when the parcel is due to arrive. Never ever click or tap on a link in a message. If you can't get that information from the company online, then give them a call, send them an email, but please, please, please never ever click or tap on a link in an email. I cannot say this enough. I know that it gets boring, but this is a very, very serious hack. Even the UK crime agencies have put out a plea, as you can see here. So it says, if you receive a text message asking you to install a tracking app due to a missed package delivery, do not click the link. It is a malicious piece of spyware known as Flubot, which is affecting Android phones and devices across the UK. Clicking on the link will take you to a scam website which claims to belong to a delivery company such as DHL. It will request that you install an app which will actually steal your passwords, contact details and other sensitive data. If you do get one of these text messages and you're in the UK, forward the message to 7726. That's 7726, and if you look on your keyboard of your phone, 7726 actually spells spam. A free spam reporting service, and then delete the message. Please, please, please share this video with your family, your friends, your business colleagues, anybody you know. Share it across your social media. We really need to get this message out here that if you do get any of these messages, how important it is not to click or tap on any links in any messages that you get, because otherwise you could end up unwittingly installing this Flubot on your device and, like I say, having your details stolen. If you find this video useful, then please don't forget to like it. Also, if you haven't done already, please click the subscribe button and make sure you click the notification bell and then all to make sure you get notified about all new videos that I've released. Thanks for watching.